Alright, now let's talk about multi-agent system. In the previous one, we understood a single threaded agent where the one single agent will be at the center of the entire flow and manages all the requests. Now in this session, we are specifically going to focus on multi-agent system. Now what is the main difference between these two? So the very first difference is the first layer of agentic system where only one single agent at the core and the decision maker talks to multiple action groups, or we can say as tools, and respond the data. But then this happens sequentially. So if there are 5 requests which come into picture, then these 5 requests will be served sequentially. Now this is good when it comes to a simple to intermediate complex system where you're building an agentic system where one single application or one single agent can take all the load and work accordingly. What if the requests are way too high and the total volume are increasing on a very specific point of time, and the volume of the request are reaching the thresholds? So in that kind of scenario, we need to build a multi-agent system where there will be multiple agents who are expert in the domain and they talk to same or multiple action groups, or we can say as tools, and provide the response simultaneously. So let's break that down and understand that in real quick. So multi-agent system is called as a multiple specialized agent which has one single goal and smarter outcome. How this work is when user sends a request, it directly goes to an orchestrator agent. In previous session, it used to go to this main agent, which is one single agent in the flow and which is the brain. But in this one, it goes to the orchestrator agent, which is the brain of the system. Now what it will do, it will understand the request, break down the task, delegate to specialized agent, monitor progress and quality, and synthesize the final response. So it receives the request and it will decide that which agent to call, not which action group or tools to call, which agents to call for this specific task, and that thing happens on a simultaneous request. So once it receives the request, it will be broken down into steps and then rerouted to the specific agent. Now let's understand the specialized agent layer. So once this request comes, it will go down to the specialized agent. Now here the request will be served according to the decision taken by the orchestrator agent. So let's say if that is related to a news agent, the news agent now has the capability to call multiple action groups and figure out the information. Now in the previous one, what happens is that this specific agent is the responsible for all the decision making, but now we have given a very specific expert level of prompt and understanding to this knowledge agent that it is the subject matter expert of that, and this agent will take responsibility of that and generate the response by calling the multiple tools or the action groups. So it will retrieve the latest news, update and relevant documents. Now the agent will eventually going to call the tools associated with it. Let it be a one single tool, or there can be a huge number of tools to validate and get the information from. There can be a possibility that this agent can call, let's say 5 or 10 tools at the same point of time to generate the result. One tool can be called and get the information or news from the BBC World. The second one can be on the CNBC. Third one can be on the India Today. And likewise, there can be multiple agents associated with each and every single news agency, news channel or feed. Collect that information. Those information will be gathered and sent back to this agent, and then this agent will send the response to the main orchestrator agent, and finally the response will be generated out. Now I won't recommend this to use in all the use cases. Be very mindful about when to use this use case, because ultimately when it comes to a complex scenario where you need to break down your task in a very specified way and you want very precise output by executing the expert agents, you should build this kind of an architecture or pipeline. We will build a demo in our upcoming session to understand this in more detail, but I hope you got the understand and the crux of the multi-agent orchestrator system. Do let me know in the comment box if you have any specific question, and I will respond you with the specific answers and understanding. Thank you so much for joining me here on this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till time, let's learn together and grow together.